Oh god, the bits are coming up and they're going to splash it. They're ready to have
They should give us a cannon to fire back, shouldn't they? That'd be fair.
That would be much better.
It's alright, this is quite chilled out.
One advantage, at least you'll dry off quick.
Probably not actually, we're going on the log swim next. So.
Oh, right. So it don't really make much difference. Did it get you, Adam?
Yeah!
I'm glad that one.
I will be. There's more to go yet.
That's definitely. I'm moving ready. Yeah, I was just in case of that. Oh, my feet!
Oh! Well, that was hard, that one, wasn't it?
Not with laughing off. Never why.
Another wave coming up.
Oh, I'm pretty sure this is where people shoot you. Yeah, looks like it. Defo is where people shoot you. I'm not prepared for this. Do not get me in the face.
Did anyone get any pictures today or anything?
No.
Yeah.
My feet are so scared.
Let's see what's coming up. Yeah, smile for Candy Camera. At the back of me again. Are they trying to say something?
Oh, no.
Oh, here we go.
What a rotten shot.
Right in the boot!
You just said that on YouTube.
Yeah.
Your boob is now famous on YouTube.
Yes, yeah. Will it appear on YouTube?
Oh, my is a bit wet.
See, this was one reason for the thin cotton shirt rather
Yeah.
than t-shirt.
That's why I put trousers on instead of jeans. It makes it a lot easier.
Oh, whoops.
So you ladies don't have any forefoot, do they?
Well, these two. Weren't expecting that.